So here we have our upgraded roller fuel valve installed for the Kawasaki Ridge. The larger piece will go on the top, the smaller piece will go on the bottom. Remember that. We crimped it with metal crimpers. We used 2 zip ties to hold it in place. We then ran the pipe through here. Now I didn't want to keep the factory fuel line because it was too small in my opinion. I didn't want it to run inside here. I didn't want to smell it if something happens. So I ran it down through the bottom here. You can see it runs along this frame piece here. I zip tied it to this corner wire holder here, up through here, and then I fed it off in the bed of the side-by-side to keep it away from all the elements. So that is it. Just take this piece off. It's 3 or 4 rivets, a couple screws, it pops right off, and go get yourself a metal rollover valve. Any questions? 815-321-3888. My name is Thor, and I'm the owner of the ATVSuperstore.com. See ya.